welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment on my natural hair. Now the benefits of using a hot oil treatment or doing a hot oil treatment on your natural hair is that it helps to strengthen growth, it helps to reduce frizz, it helps with dandruff relief, and it just helps with your dry scalp, or if your hair is dry, it gives the hair all the moisture and repenetrates your hair. So with no further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to be showing you the oils that I'll be using. So I have my olive oil here, I have peppermint and castor oil. Now this product is amazing. Get a 2-in-1. That's deal. That's save it, okay? Then I have coconut oil in this bottle, and then I have an empty bottle right here with the nozzle, which is perfect to put the oils mostly on the scalp. And then of course I have a steam cap here because I'm going to be steaming my hair under the dryer. Now if you don't have a dryer, you can use your blow dryer, or if you don't have any of those equipment, you can just use your body heat. So you just put the steam cap on your head, but as opposed to where you maybe keep it on for like 15 to 20 minutes using a blow dryer or a dryer, you keep it on for like 30 minutes or longer, so that you can get more heat to the hair. So for my tools, I'll be using my brush and a white teeth comb. And to separate my hair, I have 4 sponges here. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to divide my hair into 2, and then each I'm going to divide into 3. So in total, I'm going to be having 6. Okay, so divide the hair into 3 on this side. I'm going to be doing the front first, and you can do the treatment before you do a protective hairstyle or before you wash your hair, but mostly for me, I do it before I would like wash my hair or deep condition my hair, or just in general, like before I would go to the hairdresser and get my hair done, because you want to make sure that your hair has a lot of moisture and that it will be protected while you're getting your hair done or any hairstyle that you're doing. Okay, so the first thing is that I am going to be detangling my hair first. So now I'm going to be putting all of my oils in my bottle. So the first thing is I'm going to be adding the peppermint and castor oil. That smells bad. I'm going to mostly be adding this. Okay, now I'm going to be adding the coconut oil to the mixture. Then I'm going to be adding the olive oil. Okay, I'm going to be adding more of the castor oil and the peppermint, because I know castor oil is like really good for your hair. So I'm just going to be adding everything from this bottle. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so there we have it. All the oils: castor oil, peppermint, olive oil, and coconut oil. So your girl is ready to put these in her hair. Okay, so I'm just going to take off the top. Okay, so I would recommend putting on an old t-shirt when it comes to the oils. And if not, you can put a towel. So I'm going to be putting it on the roots, then massaging it in my hair. Yeah. this feels nice. This feels nice. And then you apply it on the ends of the hair. Alright, so now I'm just going to put a simple braid in my hair, not too tight, but not too loose. And then put this section away. What I'm going to do now is to just sit under the hooded dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to be adding just a little bit to my edges. Yeah, I know I have no edges. There we go. Be putting on my little cap thing. Yeah. Make sure I set everything under the cap. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'll come back and show you the result of my hot oil treatment, what my hair is looking like after coming out of the dryer. Okay guys, so I actually sit under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is to completely wash my hair, but with lukewarm water. So I'll check back in with you guys after I finish washing my hair. So what I'm going to do right now is to just add some of the Pearls Moisture Hair Strengthening and Moisturizing Treatment. I'm just going to add some to my hair. And then that will be it for my hair. Okay guys, so this is the end result for my hot oil treatment. I used 3 oils, which is the castor oil, coconut oil and olive oil, but the castor oil that I use had peppermint oil extract in it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you try this out. I'm telling you, it will work wonders for your hair. Like, my hair feels soft and like my hair is really moist and feel amazing. Make sure you try this out on your hair. I did stay under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you can use your blow dryer, or you can just have the cap on your head but you just keep it on longer. So for me, I stayed 30 minutes. If you don't use any heat and you just use that in your body heat or natural heat, you would keep the cap on to like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It would be longer if you don't use a dryer or a blow dryer. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl channel. I got videos coming every single Friday. Check down below for some recent videos of mine. Also, don't forget to follow my business page here, where you can get pearls, moisture straightening and moisturizing treatment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!